Okay, so here we are in the introduction chapter. It may seem odd to find yourself at the end of the term writing your introduction. Probably most of you will have drafted something initially, but the notion of the introductory chapter is that it informs the reader of what your project, what your thesis is about, and where that thesis will take the reader. In order to tell us about the journey, you sort of have to have completed it somewhat. So in this section, we need to understand what we're going to share with others before we can properly communicate the rest of our research. It's almost like you're writing your summation at the beginning. But it's an introduction. So, in an introduction, you want to accomplish the goal of indicating to the reader your thesis, a little bit about what you did, a little bit about what the results were, and a little bit about what they can expect. But you don't want to tell them everything because that's the job of all the other portions of your thesis. Okay, so all of your preliminary writings from last term will come to bear at this point, will be essential to your journey of completion. If you completed research methods elsewhere, or you're doing this in tandem, you're taking research methods alongside of thesis one, that's fine. If you have questions or you're concerned or you're falling behind, then we need to know that. So in our forum section, you'll note, how is the introductory chapter going? And what have you been reading and doing for weeks 12 through 15? This is the last report, forums report you have to write. And remember, you're not just reporting to us, to Saul and I, you are reporting to your colleagues. This is a symposium, a research workshop and symposium space. So please respond to your co-learners as well. They need that feedback. And I look forward to reading your work. Saul and I look forward to reading your work. So, okay. Many thanks. Stay safe. Be well.